Hello and welcome to the top offers for July, and believe it or not, we're halfway through this year. Wild, and what a year it's been so far. Now, if you stick around to the end, we've put together something just for our YouTube audience that's seriously going to help you earn more commissions promoting our top offer and accelerate your profits. So stay tuned. Coming in at number 5 for the month of July is Icaria Lean Belly Juice. This offer has been a pretty consistent top offer for most of this year. Last month it went through a product revamp and hit the number 2 spot, and this month it's down to just 3 spots, but still crushing it. Icaria Lean Belly Juice is a diet supplement that targets the root cause of stubborn belly fat with just 1 scoop per day. It's tasty, it's easy to take, and the results are life-changing. The high AOV and great EPC, this offer has stood the test of time. One of the best parts, does well in a bunch of niches and segments. Head over to the marketplace today and get your hop link and start promoting. So let's talk about those numbers first though. It's got an EPC of $1.17, an average payout value of $139.87, and a hop conversion rate of 0.83%. So those are pretty stellar numbers for a diet and weight loss when we're not talking the first quarter of the year. And something even more stellar for something that's been out that long. It works on YouTube, it works on native, it works on Facebook, it works on organic, it works on email. Basically anywhere that you can promote this, it is going to work. So go, promote it, do it. Prostadine, back at it again with the Prostadine. Another serial top offer at spot number 4. We have Prostadine, and no joke, this offer has been on the top offers list since February. Prostadine helps combat the buildup of minerals in the prostate caused by hard water. Seriously, folks, if you or someone you love has a prostate and is drinking tap water, you gotta get this and you ought to start promoting it. The dangers of tap water are all too real, and Prostadine helps reduce buildup and restore that prostate health. This offer is doing well in men's health, aging, and the all-natural remedies niches. With low refunds, great upsells, and exceptional ad creative, it's no brainer that this offer has been a mainstay on the top offers list for a while. Check out their landing page for more information, but before you do, let's talk numbers here. EPC $1.41, average payout value $134.59, and a hop conversion rate of over 1%. Now that's awesome, that's stellar, and this is probably the best time to be promoting it during this time when diet and weight loss starts to dip out. It works great on Facebook, it works great on YouTube, it works great on native, it works great on organic, but from what I hear, it's working the best on YouTube. So if you're one of those people, go promote it there. Hey everyone, the top 3 offers are coming up next. If you're loving this content and just can't wait to get more, please like and give us a subscribe so you can be the first to find out what ClickBank offers are crushing it. Okay, now here are the top 3 offers. Let's go get it. In our 3rd spot, we have Cure Essentials, which is up 3 spots for the number 6 spot back in June. It's no wonder why. This oil blend is helping so many people take back their podiatry health. That's right, we're talking foot fungi. Here in the US, it's sandal weather, so everyone is setting their toesies free. If you want to get hooves in those old Birkenstocks, slides, toe thongs, Tevas, or Chacos, you're going to want to make sure your foot health is top notch. This health oil contains a proprietary blend of tea tree, lavender, and lemongrass, and is crushing it in multiple niches. Has high payouts, excellent affiliate tools, and a VSL that deserves an award. Cure Essentials is an offer that won't disappoint, so check out their landing page and watch that VSL. Seriously. Let's talk numbers. EPC. It has an EPC of $1.13, an average payout value of $124.48, and a hop conversion rate of 0.91%, which is fantastic, especially once you're starting to get into something that feels like more of a niche product. It works really well on YouTube. It works really well on native. It's going to have good results on Facebook. Organic, of course, it's going to work. Email, if you have a warm list, is going to work. But I would say if you're talking paid traffic, stick to native, YouTube. Number 2, Cortexi. Down just 1 spot from last month, our number 2 spot belongs to the new and awesome Cortexi. Cortexi is not only a memory supplement, it's also a hearing support supplement. A blend of all natural ingredients with no dependency issues or side effects. Cortexi is an excellent way to stay sharp all around. This offer is slaying it in the over 50 niches and has affiliate tools that are compelling, catchy, and clearly work. The AOV and EPC are awesome and the conversion rate incredible. Check out this offer and head to the marketplace to grab your link. You wanna know who is also killing it in the over 50 market? This guy. Ooh. Now let's get to the numbers. EPC, $1.71. An average payout value, $118.90, and hop conversion rate, 1.44%. It is wild. A lot of those numbers are being driven from things on Facebook, on YouTube, and native. It's doing well on lists, of course. It's doing well on organic, but YouTube and native and Facebook, it's a paid traffic killer. You definitely want to promote it and get going on it. And at number 1 for the top offer this month, and that really cool thing we told you about at the beginning, we have Lean Biome. Lean Biome is the Ivy League secret that no one wants you to know to help you lose weight. It has an amazing VSL featuring an avatar that lost over 240 pounds just using the product. It does great on Facebook. It does great on YouTube. It is an amazing offer, a great team behind it. And we'll talk more about that offer and everything because of our cool surprise. And as promised, we've put together something pretty kick-ass for you, and we've been teasing you for a while on it. We built you guys a landing page that every single one of you can use to promote Lean Biome. And if you stick around to the end, you might just be able to get it for free. I know. Let's take a look. So as you can see, this is a pretty typical video pre-sale page. Because Lean Biome has such a great VSL, all we're trying to do on this page is get potential customers to watch the VSL on the seller's sales page. You can see a headline matching with the primary hook of the VSL that piques curiosity of the hidden fat switch. Some quick bullet points to talk about how Megan, the host of the VSL, did it and what she didn't have to do. Now this piece right here is probably the coolest thing on this page. We have what looks like a video, but is simply an image with a play button that we took as a screenshot from the VSL. People want to watch the video, they'll click play, your hop link is embedded in the image, and boom, the customer is on your Lean Biome VSL. Your hop link will go to both the call to action button and the image. And remember, we're trying to get people to watch a video. That's it. No selling needed here. Now, a quick disclaimer. We haven't run any traffic to this page. We don't know if it converts. It was just our best shot at creating what we think would be a great starting point. Our team watched through the full VSL, plucked the interesting hooks and angles, and wrote some simple, compelling copy. And sometimes we actually trust our team. So here's the best part. We want to give it to you for free. You can find this template inside our new tool, which is called Accelerator. Ooh, it's a callback, right? Which is the all-in-one platform to start, manage, and scale your affiliate business. Accelerator comes packed with tons of tools, including a funnel builder and a landing page creator, an email marketing tool, contact management, and so much more. Seriously, guys, we built Accelerator to be the only funnel builder made specifically for ClickBank affiliates. And we power it with 20 plus years of real world affiliate data that only we have access to. So if you're interested in getting this template plus tons of other done for you, proven to convert affiliate templates, click the link in the description and check out Accelerator for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. And since you've made it this far into the video, and not only will you get access to Accelerator, but we'll throw in complete access to our affiliate education platform, Spark. Am I reading that right? We're giving it away? Wow. That's pretty spectacular because Spark is ClickBank's education platform that comes with a thriving community of other affiliates. Plus it's packed with courses on how affiliates can drive traffic and get their first 2K in sales in as little as 90 days. So our one ask here is that you please do not share the link in the description. As I mentioned, we can only let a small group in on a first come, first served basis. And as I'm recording this, you won't find us offering this anywhere else. This is only available special for our YouTube family, and we made it to this point, and because of all of you who've continued to support our channel. If there are still some spots left, you can get free 7-day access to both Spark and Accelerator via the link in the description. So take advantage of that free trial, use the templates, drive some traffic. Seriously, go make some sales. Now, all that being said, let's get back to the numbers of the offer. It has an EPC of $1.57, an average payout value of $148.83, a hop conversion rate of 1.06%, which is amazing for a diet and weight loss offer in the middle of the summer. It's amazing. Go promote it. Works great on YouTube, Facebook, native, email, organic. You're gonna wanna promote this. So go out there, get those new tools, and go make some money.